Hello family, welcome to another episode. Today we are going to cook assorted fried rice with guinea fowl. Today I'm excited. My team and I will be donating 1 pack of the food to the less privileged on the street, just to show them some love. So you see this my lettuce, spring onions, garlic, onions and tomatoes. My eggs is here, green pepper, carrot, sausage and beef, and my guinea fowl as well, and the rice is here. So I'll first of all steam my meat before I wash it in my water. So I'll dice my beef for the rice. I'll add my guinea fowl. I'll put my beef, guinea fowl as well. Add the water small because I'm to steam the beef and then the chicken. Don't need to put much water so I can get the correct taste. I'll put my spices. 1 teaspoon of Maggi, 1 teaspoon of salt and curry powder, teaspoon of ginger powder and onions. So I'm going to blend my garlic and pepper. So add the blended onions, garlic and pepper. For my meat to be ready, I'll put my rice on fire. Because it's assorted rice, you have to take measurement of the water so that your rice will not overcook. I'll put my salt, 1 teaspoon. Add small oil to prevent it from sticking under. I'll start cutting the vegetables for the rice. The water is boiling. I have to put my rice. Make sure that your table should always be neat and clean. So I'll prepare my salad whilst waiting for my rice and then the protein. Now to make sure that the rice is on low heat. I'll go on with washing my lettuce for the salad. So I'll add my vinegar. Make sure you wash it very well. Now I'm done with the salad now. My meat is ready. I have to go and fry the meat. Use my oil. The rice is ready. was waiting for the sausage, I'll break my egg. Beat my egg. Put my frying pan here. So I'll put my oil. I'm going to fry the rice. I'll put a little bit of oil. Wait for it to heat. The pan should be hot. Make sure that the oil touch all part of the edges so that it will not make your rice to stick under. So I'll put my onion first. After the onion, add my egg. I'll add my Maggi. 2 teaspoons. Curry powder, 1 teaspoon. So you stir it to make sure that the ingredients are mixed before you add your rice. I'll add my rice. And I'll add my vegetables, which is the carrot and then the green pepper. This is my oyster sauce. I'll add my oyster sauce small. I'll now add my dark sauce. That will make me get my color of the rice. After my dark sauce, you see that my fried rice is almost done. So I'll now add the spring onions. The reason why I'm adding the spring onions last to make sure that when you add it with the vegetable, it will fall because of the heat, and it doesn't need too much heat. So you just put it at last when you are getting ready that everything is set. Then you add to make sure it will look greenish in the rice. So from here I'll add the protein to my rice. So now you can see that the assorted rice is now ready. So my rice is ready now. Ready to serve. Okay, now I'm cutting the garnishing for the food. So now it's time to serve the food. I'm going to mix the salad. So I'll put my white pepper, salt, my mayonnaise, and then the ketchup. And I'll mix it. I'm going to serve salad. Food is ready. As earlier on I told you, today one of our pack will be donated to some people at the roadside who may need the food. So that's the one I'm coming to parcel. Cut my salad aside. Add one of the protein.